This video I'm preparing for people who are struggling to start their pathways. Here you will find how pathways works. First, go to toastmasters.org website and log in. If you're a member, you will have your email as well as your password. This email address and password. Log in. Alright, this is your front screen. Now you can press here and see how your dashboard, personal dashboard looks like. Alright, if you want to go to pathways, we can click here pathways, go to Basecamp. Alright, or we can go directly from here. This is pathways home screen. This is how it looks like. These are the shortcuts. Navigating Basecamp. Here you can go through and you will understand how Basecamp works. And this is another button which says My Education Transcript and My Education Transcript. You can read it here. This is a shortcut of this button. If you press here, you will reach to the similar information separately. Alright, so now I want to show you how level 1 works, how we can start from first speech and go on. I want to take you through this, my path which I'm doing right now, affective coaching. Press here, open curriculum. Alright, I'm going to take you through from level 1. Press on this level 1. When you come here, see these are the projects 1, 2 and 3. 3 projects to be done in level 1. When you will start, we don't see these buttons, these 3 buttons. Only one button is here in front of icebreaker, and you don't see these tick marks, and this 100% information is not there. This is white. So in order to start our second and third project, it's important to finish our icebreaker, which is this one. When we go to icebreaker, we need to click here and you will be taken to another window. Yes, here is opening. Here we are. We can start from here, begin. Alright. We need to go through all these slides with the help of this arrow. Read this, and assess yourself before the project. Assess your skills before. So you need to make sure you are assessing yourself. Like, I'm confident and calm when speaking in front of the groups. How do you feel? How you should mark yourself? Mark it. 1, 2, whatever you feel like. Then second, there are 6 questions to be answered. Rate yourself and go next. Read these slides. There's a video. Watch this video, 3 minutes and 38 seconds. It's important to watch. You'll find a lot of information.
As you prepare,
go next. This is a worksheet you can download, which will help you to prepare your speech. Next slide. Next. Here there are some more informations. Press next and you will read them all. Alright, here's some more information about timing, pacing, organization, review, moment to moment. Next, some more information. Next, here we have 3-4 more slides. This is about the evaluation. Once your evaluator is evaluating you, how you need to be in the meeting. Alright, next. Read this. You can download project checklist from here as well. Press this button. read some more information. Here is your evaluation criteria. Based on these points, this information, your evaluator will be evaluating you. This is our evaluation resources. You can download this sheet, take a printout, give it to your evaluator, who will evaluate you, and you can keep it saved. If you want to download this entire project, here's the link, Print My Project. We can go through. If you don't want to read from internet, you can read from hard copy. Then next, once you reach here, stop and come back later. Once you have delivered your speech, come back and assess your skills after. Like, how did you feel when you are about to deliver your speech, and now how you feel, how confident you feel yourself after delivering the speech. So these are the questions to be answered, and you can answer yourself. And once you move to next slide, it will say congratulations, you have completed your project, and close this window. Once you complete and close this window, you will be taken back to your base camp again. Here you will be seeing tick mark here on Icebreaker, and you will see another change. These two projects will open. Then you can start these two projects. Same procedure for each project in Pathways. Once you open this launch, it will take you to another window. Read it all. Download the links. Prepare your speech. Go back to your meeting. Deliver the speech. Come back. Assess yourself again after the project. Here is our first slide for this project evaluation and feedback. You can see the procedure is same. Next slide, read this information. Next. You need to evaluate yourself, assess your skills before the project. So this is how I have done. These are the questions to be answered. Read all these slides. There's some more information to read. Next, some more slides. Go through all of them. It's very important information. Again, these are the couple of lines to be read. There's information. Click each button. You will find more information. Go next. Positive feedback, constructive feedback. There's a video to be watched. 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Alright. Watch this video. It will help you a lot.
Hello. Welcome to my Toastmasters Club, the Think and Speak.
Go next slide after watching this video. Open this information. Read them all. Few more slides. These are questions to be answered. Once you answer one question, you will be taken to another one. Answer them all. Go next. Make sure you don't miss any information on any slide. Go next. Project checklist you can download, which will help you to prepare your project easily. Open this information and read. Next, again, evaluation. So in this particular project, it's very important. Like, there is a first speech, and there's a second speech, and there's an evaluation. So this speech we are going to deliver first. Here it says first speech. deliver this speech once, and after that, same speech deliver again in different meeting, in same club or different club. It's totally up to you, but you need to make sure you incorporate the evaluation you got it from the first speech. This is the purpose of this project. And after that, one more part of this project is evaluation. So you need to evaluate another speaker, alright, and you will be evaluated by another person. So this is the evaluation form for your evaluation. This is very important. So in this project, which is the second project of first level, we have two speeches and one evaluation to be done. Here you can download entire project. Then go next, and here you can assess yourself again, how you were before and after delivering the project. Then next, there's the last slide which says congratulations, you have done this project. Close this. Once you close this, again you will be taken back to your base camp, and then you will see this tick mark which will say you have done this project completely. In this project, particular evaluation and feedback, you need to do 2 speeches, 1 evaluation. Alright, after that you will be taken, you can do this project which says researching and presenting. Press this button, you will be taken to another window, read it all. Wherever there's a video, watch the video. There are some questions to be answered, answer them, and go next. Once you are done with these 3 projects 100%, then you will see this window, this button visible, and you can again launch that and take it further. Once you have done all this, and once you press this button, an email will be sent to your home club VP education, and you can call him or her and request him or her to approve your project, approve your level 1. So once they will approve your level, then here the status will change, where you can see your certificate, view certificate. This is how you can see your certificate, and you can download as well. There's a PDF format, you can download from here. You can see wherever you want. Alright, and once this is done, and you will see on level 1 100% completion mark, and here will be somewhere like around 15 to 20%. Then you can, once this is done, level 1 is done, and automatically you will see level 2, your all projects will open. First 3, these are the projects. You can go through, open them, assess your skills before, do the project, come back, assess your skills after, one by one finish your projects. Once you finish these 3 projects, then you can, this email, automatic email will be sent to your VP education, to your home club, and you can request him to approve your project. Then you can download another certificate from here. Alright. Now, so once you're done with your level 2, then you go to level 3. In level 3 you have 3 projects. One is which is compulsory, and there are 2 projects you need to do which are electives. You can open from here and choose any 2 projects out of 13. Go through. I went through all of them. Then I did these 2 projects, Inspire Your Audience and Effective Body Language. Then go to level 4. In level 4 you have total 3 projects, like total 2 projects to be done, improve through positive coaching, 1 project. Second project is elective, 1 to be done out of 8. Then you can go to level 5. Procedure is same. Once you understand one level 1, then you can do everything. You can handle very easily. Here you have high performance leadership, which is compulsory project, and then I have 1 elective to be done. Elective is already finished. I've done it, and I'm doing my HPL now. Once this is done, then I will do this project. Look at this project. There is no button visible here. Once I will finish my high performance leadership project, then this button will appear here. Then I need to do this project, which is reflect on your path. So I need to deliver a speech which will in which I will be sharing my entire experience, how I was able to do this path, like effective coaching. Once this is done, then automatically email will be sent to my VP education of my home club, and I will request him to approve it. Once he approves my level 5, then I will be called as proficient effective coaching. Hope I was able to make you understand a bit. If there is any question, please write me back and I will answer your questions. If there is any confusion, I will try to clarify. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and enjoy Pathways.